what you're going to need to make this wreath is all from the Dollar Tree. So you have your bamboo wreath, $1. You have your garland. It came as 15 feet. I got these from my backyard, my little pine cones, but you can buy them. Some of the berries and stems, either twist ties or floral rib wiring to make your bow. And some white paint and a paintbrush if you'd like to make this wintry looking. So I went ahead and took everything off and I wrapped a little bigger one than I had. I have two, one small and one big. That 15 feet will be plenty big enough to wrap this little one, but I thought it was too full and it didn't really make it look like a wreath, so I switched it out for the large one. It didn't completely fill the top. That's okay, because that's where my bow is going to go, and you won't see it. It'll be just fine. So these just stick. I don't even have to, I mean, I can hot glue them, and I probably will just to help them out. I have it heating up, but I like how I just push them into the bamboo and they stayed really secure. So I think I'm just going to focus on one side, whether it be the left or the right. I like where they're going right now, so I'll probably leave it there. My bow will become my center up here. And then I think I'll just put some pine cones down here and accent with a little snow. I think I might be done. Something simple. What I'm going to do is pour it right on this. This is just paper from a shipping package. And just get your tips. Just brush them. Because you don't want it too heavy. It's supposed to be snow. Your children can do this with you. This is a really great project if you have little kids. My youngest, it'll be 15 next month. And that's who I went out with yesterday shopping. And she likes this stuff. She just has a lot of homework. So, but when we have time, we do. She's an artist herself. She actually paints real paintings. And this is child's play to her. But that's about all I want to do. Just add a little bit of white for the snowy effect. You don't want to go too much. You just want it to be kissed by the snow. Maybe a dot or two on my berries. Because how can everything else have snow if the berries don't? And when this dries, we'll add the bow. So the paint is dry. I checked it. Everything looks good. Everything is glued on. I'm going to probably take one of these bells and let me go ahead and turn this around so you guys can see it. So I'm pulling the bow up as high as I can. The bell. Keep this down and take my wire. This is that floral wire. Also cover up what I didn't have enough of the garland. So I'm going to snip the back of these. Tighten up. Pinch that down. And then I want to work on my bow itself. I'm waiting for the hot glue gun to heat up so I can at least adhere that, keep it straight. And I want to kind of fluff this up to make this how I'd like it to look. I don't like that I don't have two tails, so I'm going to cut this. Maybe some little berries over here. And then I also want to hot glue my bell. All I had, this cost me about $4 to make. And I probably, if I don't get better on making bows, I'll probably just buy bows. But that's all it is. Hope you enjoyed it.